Hey everyone, meteorologist Aaron White here with a look at your forecast as we go into tonight and tomorrow. We are tracking that winter storm developing across much of the upper Midwest. Now, we have winter weather advisories here in effect, but as you go to the north, up around the Twin Cities and parts of central Minnesota, they actually have winter storm warnings because they're going to see quite a bit more snow than we have here. But what we are going to be dealing with is kind of some messy weather, not just snow, but we're also tracking wintry mix. So we could be looking at some freezing drizzle, rain, maybe some sleet, and also some snow as we go through this evening, tonight, into tomorrow. So because of that, a winter weather advisory is in effect until Tuesday evening, and we are looking at least a medium threat for some snow accumulation. We'll have a look at that here in just a moment. Snowfall intensity is going to be a medium impact as well, especially as we go through the day at Tuesday, tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours. So slippery roads going to be the highest impact as we're looking at ice and also snow potentially on top of that. So here's a look at Sky Tracker 3 going through this afternoon. We're starting to see some developing freezing drizzle. That's going to continue through tonight. And then notice how it changes over to snow, but it's going to be brief. And even with that, I think we could still see some accumulation across the area. For ice potential, there is a chance that some parts of the area could be seeing at least maybe up to a tenth of an inch of ice, but even just a subtle glaze, a few hundredths of an inch, that can have a huge impact on roads. Just a thin glaze can make roads very slippery. So just be cautious if you have to travel. Just use extra caution. I know Minnesota and Iowa Department of Transportation going to do their best to get the roads treated and cleared as we go through this evening into tonight. If you don't have to travel, stay at home. Wait until the system is over as we get into tomorrow night and for the day Wednesday. So as we talk about snowfall accumulation, the highest totals are going to be north of Interstate 90. 4 to 6 inches not out of the question for Mankato to Zumbrota, around 2 to 4 inches Rochester and southward, and about a trace to a couple of inches around Mason City and Charles City. Those spots could see a little bit more of that warmer air, meaning we could be talking about more of that wintry mix and ice going into tonight and for tomorrow. So we are looking at some snow across the area. In addition to the ice, winter weather advisory is in effect for tomorrow. 7-day forecast showing a lot colder air coming in on the backside of the system, as we'll see highs back to near 10 on Wednesday. Tracking another chance for some light snow on Thursday. Not looking at a lot of accumulation. Could see a dusting to an inch or so with that system. And then we eventually will see some warmer conditions, highs back in the upper 20s before another cool down for Sunday and Monday.